Okay, so here I have laid out all of my clothes. Trying to pack very minimally. Trying being the optimal word here. And so what I did for some of my stuff, like some shirts, especially, I just smoothed them out with the iron because I don't want to spend time when I'm away getting wrinkles out of my shit, you know? So I have like my stuff laid out, my bathing suits, all that good stuff. And then I have these packing cubes here. These are from Lean Travel, and I got them from Amazon. And they're compression, but they have this mesh here so that your clothes still breathe. So I have 2 large ones and then a small one. And so I'm going to pack all of this in these 3. Okay, so what I'm doing here is I'm packing all of my bottoms in one of the larger compression cubes here. Instead of doing it outfit by outfit, I decided to pack all the bottoms in one and then all my tops in another. Now that all of that is in there, I zipped it closed, and now I'm doing the compression, and you'll see how flat that gets, so it takes up less space in my bag, which is pretty cool. You can leave it up if you want to, and it could actually fit more things in there, but I decided to do the compression and compress it down. In here I just have a dress, a bathing suit cover up, and my tops are gonna go in this one here. So I thought that I would only need the 2 large and 1 small compression top, and in this compression bag, and then in this small one here I could fit all my undergarments and my swimsuits, but it could not all fit clearly because there's some stuff left on the bed. So I had to get my other compression bag, and this one is from Flight 001. And the good thing about this is that it has a side for clean and it has a side for laundry. So I decided to use this third larger bag, and so in total I have 4 compression bags that I'm using. And in here I'm just putting my swimsuits and my bra in this last one. Okay, so this is what the suitcase looks like opened up. And so on this side it has this strap here to keep your stuff neatly tucked away, and then on this side there is a zipper part to keep everything all neat and together. I'm just gonna open that up, and as you can see, it's like pretty deep inside there. There's a little pocket right here, and inside this pocket I just have this little green tea satchel. It's a scented satchel, so it keeps your clothes smelling nice, which is good. Then I have this water pouch here for my phone if I'm going in the ocean or in the pool and I want to take some photos with my phone. I have that in there. And here I just have a little fan if I get hot, and it lights up. Yeah, so that is pretty nifty there. And here I have a 3-prong outlet, and this is going to go into my wall outlet because I'm going overseas, and so the converter just has one space. So I got this so that I can charge multiple things at one time, which is smart because I didn't think of that before. Dumb me. And then this, I have a doorstop. Now, why do I have a doorstop? This is a safety hack, actually, if you're staying in a hotel or maybe an Airbnb that doesn't have that second lock on the door. This will kind of prevent if someone is trying to open the door, and let's say you're sleeping, it'll give you some time, buy you some time actually to, you know, call for help or jump out of a window or something. So for you solo female travelers, pack yourself a doorstop. And so I just have that stuff in this little pouch right here. And then earlier you saw me pack all my shit, but I had to do some workarounds. So now I'm actually going to pack my luggage because I'm leaving in a couple hours. So here we go, packing time. And then this is a foldable duffel bag. So I'm gonna be buying a lot of stuff that I obviously won't be able to fit in here when I'm coming back. So this basically will serve as my souvenir bag. And it folds into itself, has a little pocket, you zip and you open that up. And I'll show you guys what it looks like opened up. And then the last thing I'm packing is my trusty tripod so that I can get those good photos for you guys. So it's its own case here, and that is just gonna go on this side like so, and then zip this up. And voila, there we have it. So now, here comes the fun part of closing it. And see, it's really, really good. I'm just gonna make sure nothing gets caught in the zippers as I swing this around like so. And then the other side, put this zipper. You guys can see that. And there we have it, all finished. And here is the full getup of the spinner, my carry-on luggage, and my travel pillow there. And I'll just show you quickly how easy this spins, how easy it is to push. Yeah, super easy.